in case that the ink keys do not move smoothly. Regular maintenance of the ink fountain key is recommended to prevent problems caused by sticking ink. We would like to show the maintenance method using lubricating sprays. As you can see, there are data for odd-numbered ink fountain keys fully opened and even-numbered ink fountain keys fully opened. Odd-numbered ink fountain keys in the fourth unit are fully open now. In this condition, the data for the even-numbered ink fountain key fully opened is prepared. In the second memory, data for the even-numbered ink fountain keys fully open is set. Push the preset button, then the odd-numbered ink fountain keys become 0, and the even-numbered ink fountain keys fully opens. Using a lubricating spray in this condition is more effective for the ink sticking to ink fountain key. Regular maintenance will keep the operation stable. If the operation of the ink fountain key does not improve after this maintenance, please contact Komori Service.